from class 8 Peacock from School of Scholars, Malkapur.
Hi, myself Khyati Vindrani from class 8 Peacock from School of Scholars, Malkapur.
Hi, myself Anjali Chavan from class 8 Peacock from School of Scholars, Malkapur.
Hi, myself Virinanani from class 8 from School of Scholars, Malkapur. We are discussing about the topic of role of elected representative after the election.
Vidhi, can I ask you my first question?
Sure.
So, Vidhi, what do you know about the role of elected representative after the election?
Yes, of course I know. Role of elected representatives after the election plays a crucial role in democracies by acting as a bridge between the citizens and the government.
Shri Chensuk Santiti is our example. He represents our Malkapur in the assembly.
Vidhi, do you know what is the role of Chensuk Santiti sir for our Malkapur?
Yes, of course, I know. He maintains that rule in each area there should be cleanliness to maintain the rule and orders by it in Malkapur. Anjali, can you please tell me more?
Yes, to maintain the law and orders of cities, to provide basic necessaries like proper electricity, proper drinking of water, proper road in each area.
Vidhi, do you know what problems are India is facing today?
Yes, of course, I know there are many problems that we are facing today, such as like cleanliness and also traffic rules. Let me tell you in detail. Cleanliness. If we talk about local areas and also water, it is very important because see, we say that जल हमारा जीवन है, पर हम लोग अपने जीवन को ही समाप्त कर दे रहे हैं by destroying the water. We throwing garbage, plastics and many things in the water. We say that गंगा हमारी माता है, पर हम लोग अपने माता को ही पॉल्यूट कर दे रहे हैं by throwing garbage, plastics and many more things. Secondly, traffic rules. Traffic rule is very important because if there is no traffic rule, the continuously accidents will be happened.
So, Vidhi, what are the responsibilities of government?
Yes, there are many responsibilities of the government such as policy development and many more. In policy development, representatives contribute to the political parties and many more. Khyati, could you get some more information about it?
Yes, of course. The next point is lawmaking. Lawmaking means the government has to make the law for all people and had to be aware that every people is following the law or not.